As you all know, cars are now coming to Fortnite. Not only that, but very soon. It is the most talked about thing this season, so everyone is very hyped. As for now, in 11th July 2020, the waters in authorities has lowered down. This could be a possibility for cars in Chapter 2, Season 3. And the water has gone down for the third time. These are all the three stages of the water level so far. There were three stages. It is really good. So at July 21st, the cars will be coming, and we could utilize all the features in the game, which is teased already. Today we have everything about cars, the water level, or maybe we are able to drive it or something. So stick around if you want to know more. As you can see from this trailer where it shows all the cars are there. So yeah, this is a big thing for the Fortnite community. As you can see the cars, it is really amazing. Over here it shows a car also driving through potholes like that, and this part of the land is not there currently. So yeah, that is something new. So that was the old map and new map, quite interesting. And as you can see, the gray portions of the map are not discovered, even though you have discovered it. It's because of the water levels. These are the 8 stages, and they are going to be cool. So yeah, I think I'm pretty hyped. As you can see from the following image, we have 2 things to notice about this Atlantis, where on Thursday, July 16th, Aquaman will come with a new mythic weapon. God knows what will it be. We have some leaked information about it. As for now, it's not there, so I'm quite excited for this. It'll be some city of Atlanta. Aquaman and his both selectable styles will be coming on July 16th, which is quite close from today. And his tridents are also there in the game next to some coral reef. So I'm extremely hyped for this, like for the first time. So as you can see, there another thing about the map is that, don't you see like a white flag in the right side, sorry? Yeah, I think you know what this is. There's going to be an LTM in which you like race. It's called Race Royale, but for now it's called, I think, PH Chrome. And Fortnite has teased many things about cars, so you can say cars are going to come in Fortnite. So there's going to be a new racing LTM, as it is called PH Chrome. It's PH stands for player holder, which I don't really understand about that, but I'm giving you all the information that is there. I think it's going to be called, when you win it, it'll be called race victory, I guess. Race Royale, I don't know. Like it was done for Air Royale with planes and all. So yeah, I wish other vehicles such as the go-kart, the quad crasher, and the planes also, if they would come back again in this LTM, even though we have choppers right now. So yeah, even the hoverboard, if it comes, it'll be pretty exciting. Like, I don't know about the baller. The baller might be a bit too much. So like yeah, I don't know. I think the baller should be added, even though it's good. So these are all the things you have to race. I think you can kill people while driving cars, like in planes. Because it says like take out the competition if it helps. So I think you basically need to kill people also. So we have some leaked information. When it starts, it'll say PH teleporting. The race will start in 3, 2, 1. Then we have to go in the cart and reach the flag point. As you can see, the flag point is in Lake Noi, and I think this is going to be amazing. So this is another leaked image I got in the finish line. If choppers would be there and planes would be there in Race Royale, I think it would be too cool. Some more information again. So faster is better. So yeah, I think if we could like race faster, I guess. Like, I don't know. Teleporting to the start line, take out the competition if it helps. So I think this might be for 2 people, and we have I call shotgun. It's a loading screen which shows a dummy person and in a car and a teammate shooting a suppressed AR. Okay, and these are some leaked stuff which might come in the race royale to make it like to reach the victory or the race royale, God knows. Yeah, it'll be like the new victory royale of race royale, whatever. I don't know what it's called, but for now it's called PH Chrome. As you can see, Fortnite is teasing it a lot. Like I don't know why. My mind is just blown. As you can see, like in the map, like I see, if you go to a normal game right now, go in a helicopter or boat and then click on your map, you will see the gas stations around in the entire planet, the map. And these are the leaked images of how the petrol thing will look like. And there are going to be a lot of type of vehicles in the game. So yeah, I'm super hyped. As you can see, this might be how the cars would be like. I don't know, like, yeah, I think this would be the biggest change in Fortnite Battle Royale. As you can see, these gas things are like found everywhere across the map. I think one next to authorities, one over here, as you can see, some in the mountains next to Misty, one in Holly, actually multiple in Holly. So this is going to be a new thing. I think you can carry gas or something, because you can't be using it for your inventory. So like, this is too much for me to process. This is too much. Oh, too good. So this is how it will look like in the game when you refuel and all. For now, I just got this skin, and this will like show how it's gonna fuel or like many things, refill can and all. So yeah, amazing. Like, who would have ever thought that cars would have ever come into Fortnite Battle Royale? Too much for me. As you can see, when the water goes down, the cars would be more easily available to drive. So as you can see below the surface, as the water goes down and decreases, the cars are like more like going to come, like the more the water goes down, the more the frequent the car would be coming. So stick around for me to explain everything. As you can see in this cinematic teaser, you can see the car, like he's going through potholes, and like that is a confirmed, like 100% sure that the cars are going to be coming. They'll be coming on June 21st, according to Epic Games, as you can see from Fortnite leaks, which I think is too good and amazing. Like I never expected this. So it will give like a lot of time and a lot of space also. So this is going to be amazing. This was the stage 2, stage 3, and hoping that the stage 4 would come really soon. And these things can come, like Fortnite has, like they secretly they decrease the water. So like no one can really predict when it's gonna happen. As you can see, when all the water goes down and like roads are completely like clear, as you can see by this images, that as the water goes down, the cars will be more easy to use. Over here, there's a car left at Rickety Rick, and it's glowing. For some reason, I don't know why, if they're testing anything, but if you pickaxe it once, you're gonna get 25 metal, which is a pretty good deal. I think it's a glitch thing. So these are the skins which are there for the car thing, the dummy skin, and the other dummy one is like across the map, like in different locations. So like this is weird. So I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye and peace.